Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 24th of September. These are the charts of the day. Another good day on Wall Street and a good day for the tech traders. A lot of our swings are doing well, but let's take a look at some of the hot stocks. AAOI starts it off again after breaking out of that wedge. We've been on top of this one. This is a swing. Continues to push today to reach 16.99. Backed off a point, but I'm still looking for 19 and 21.22 eventually on this one. AGQ, the silver sector is heating up. The declining channel broke, a flag formed, it popped out. It's at resistance, and he moved through here. We should see 46.49. Chinese was hot. Chinese sector very hot today. BILI spiked 259 or 16%. It closed above the double top from June, July, and now I'm looking for a move to 22. BYRN swing is doing great. Had a good day today, jumping $1.63, nearly 10%. About 800,000 traded, not a lot of volume, but it's a thin stock. It could fly. It's great fundamentals, good technicals. Looking for high 20s, low 30s eventually, if not more. CAPR with a huge day, trading 33.6 million, an all-time record volume for one day in that stock, spiking from 551 to 995, finishing 910 up 313, 52%. It's kind of a momentum and a breakout of a massive multi-year base. Should at least lead to a follow through to about 11.5. Uranium stocks are hot. CCJ up 4 days in a row, but at resistance now. Just keep an eye on this one if it gets through here. I'd be looking for mid-50s, maybe 54. FCX, a swing we put on in anticipation of a breakout. It sure did today, spiking from 45.94 to almost 49, finishing 48.78 up 364, an 8% gain, 27 million, the biggest volume on an update since March when it broke out. So looking for more upside, 52 and 55.5 targets. FUTU also spiked and broke out. That's a new tech trader swing. I like the way, wait a minute, I don't think I put a swing on it, but it does look like it could be a swing. The bottom line, 82 is my first near-term target. In the automotive, Chinese automotive sector, Li, Xpev, etc., making a move. This one broke out yesterday. It had a nice breakaway gap, run up to resistance today. Close right there. Extension targets 27 and 30. LSF broke a long 2-month falling wedge or coil, spiked up 402 to 520, finished 495 up 80 cents, over 19% today. Good volume as well, the best in months. Looking for a retest of 645 and then 7 or 8. NP, put a swing on it. I think precious metals, rare earths, metals in general, having a good time of it. Silver, gold, uranium, etc. So this one broke out above double top resistance. Might be headed to 18, 19 and a half, and 21. PCT spiked last week, pulled back, and now it's moving again. Today jumped $1, about 11%. My target's 12.5. PLL, Piedmont Lithium, I believe is turning around. It broke out of a mini base. It closed right at 50. A gain of 96 cents at 12.25% today. The long-term declining tops on lateral resistance coming in just above here. We're going to see if we can get to 9.75. That's your next target. Then 11. In the copper group, Southern Copper, one of the biggest purveyors of copper, long and beautiful rising channel, a 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave, could or might take this to 150 with a stop at the old high near 129. SMR coming out of a large coil or wedge, broke through to 50 a couple of days ago. It's extending. It's at resistance here. We get through 12. I'm looking for 17, 18. And Unity Software, that's you with a beautiful inverse head and shoulder breakout, rising flag, and a spike up today. This one popped $1.95 or 9%. 30 million traded. This one's on its way, I believe, 25.5, 28.75. Big day for Wave, just exploded. We had a great day trade on it. It literally spiked from 554 to 835, traded 775 with a close up 241, 16 million, 45%. Now this looks like a breakout and a clean one. I'd be looking for 11.75 on the next target. Other automotive, Chinese automotive stock we like is XPEV. It spiked today, closing above the double top. I'm now looking for a follow through to 12. and then 13.5 3/4. And finally, YINN, the Chinese index ETF, went vertical, jumping from 27.32 to 33.21. That's a 6-point run. Netted on the day 737 after the gap, and closed at the highest close we've seen in over a year. Now looking for an extension to get into high 30s and then mid 40s eventually. May need to rest now. We'll see. That's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening. Talk to you tomorrow.